Hello everyone, welcome to the Unplanned Way. In this video, we will be taking you along to the beaches in and around Los Angeles and the scenic Pacific Coast Drive. Hollywood stars, television and movie industries, and the gorgeous beaches all make LA a famous city and a popular vacation spot. In our previous video, we visited some famous attractions in the city of Los Angeles. If you have not watched it yet, then please click the link in the description below. Our first stop was Venice Beach. Venice is known for its canals, a beach, and an oceanfront walk. You can stroll along the Venice canals or just smell the salty air and enjoy the atmosphere. Public parking is available on the north end of the Venice Beach. Visitors can also park on city streets in Venice. Venice is a great place to watch people enjoy themselves, be it a volleyball game, gymnastics, or the incredible skateboarding. The skate park was built in 2009 and has become the most iconic skateboarding spot. Next to the Venice Beach is the Santa Monica State Beach. Santa Monica is the premier ocean destination for Los Angeles. There is so much to see and do in Santa Monica. You will find bikers, rollerbladers, runners, and walkers moving along the bike path enjoying the beautiful LA weather. One of the highlights of Santa Monica is the Santa Monica Pier. It offers a wide variety of activities including the Ferris wheel and the roller coaster rides. The Ferris wheel at Santa Monica Pier runs on solar energy. It is one of the most photographed locations in the world. You will experience breathtaking views amidst the sound of crashing waves and the ocean breeze. Whether you're looking for a romantic stroll or just want to hang out with a group of friends, make sure to stop and take a breath to feel the ocean waves.
Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. I roll a flush of love. You never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything.
Just behind the beach is the 3rd Street Promenade. It offers everything from shopping, dining, and entertainment and is bustling with shoppers and street performers.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
You will also find a lot of dining options here. We had a delicious pizza at a local restaurant. There are many options to pick your stay from. We stayed at the Airbnb near Long Beach that cost us about $100 for a day. Next day, we visited the Long Beach City Beach. Long Beach is a coastal city and port in Southern California. It is known for its waterfront attractions like the paddle boats, sailboats, harbor cruises, and much more. The beach is a famous spot in Southern California and has a long stretch of sand. If you want a better view, you can go to the Bluff Park at the beach. There is paid parking available here. This is the Pacific Coast Highway. We have been wanting to drive this scenic route for a long time and finally got to check this off the bucket list. A must-do drive in California, the breathtaking Pacific Coast Highway, also known as California State Route 1. It was built in 1934 and took 15 years to complete. It stretches nearly 550 miles along California's coastline.
Violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds.
There is so much to see and so much to do with picture perfect views on nearly every turn. You get to experience California's best scenery and attractions like the quaint seaside towns, unspoiled sandy beaches, and beautifully wild cliff-top scenery. We couldn't resist stopping at Malibu Lagoon State Beach along the Pacific Coast Drive. Malibu is a beautiful beach town known for its celebrity homes and the beaches. The city encompasses approximately 30 miles of shoreline, including several postcard-worthy beaches. There is a bit of something for everyone here, from surfing and sunbathing to bird watching, sport fishing, and a taste of local history.
Everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no.
The mountainous backdrop, as you see on screen, adds a whole new appeal. I loved the swinging experience at the beach here.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
And that is the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed the scenic views just as much as we did. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We will see you in our next video soon.
I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking